Hi, visainkorea, Mr. Jang here. Today, I will give you the very good news. E9 visa holders really want to change their visa to E74 points and based and skilled workers visa. But you can check your points based on 2018's criteria. So if you checked your total point is 52 or 72, you have a chance to apply for E74 starting from April 2nd. But somebody need additional points such as like 2 or 5 points. So lots of E9 visa holders and brothers and sisters and contact me and how to get this point. But you know that if you got the higher topic level test, you can get the point. Everybody knows it. But today, I'd like to introduce a new additional point for the recommendation letter from the Ministry of Commerce and Industry and Energy. So, what's this case? Have you heard about like a road industry certificate, right? It's 6 types of road industry fields such as welding and die casting and etc. heat treatment and surface treatment, that kind of things. That kinds of and the road industry company and also have a certificate of a road industry, you have a chance to application for this recommendation letter. So if your company is one of these criteria met and you have a chance to get additional point, the points is 2 points to 5 points. So and you can add it together. So if your company is 5 points and 3 points, you got the 10 points, but maximum is only 10 points. But anyway, I will explain what is this recommendation letter for Ministry of Commerce and Industry and Energy. First one, your company shall be a part of a road industry, right? And your company has to have certificate of a road industry, right? This is the basic requirement. Second one, if you meet this one, you can try to apply for recommendation letter from this ministry. So if your road industry is a part of an excellent road industry or reputable road industry, you have a chance to get 5 points additionally. Or if your road industry is located in the specializing in the road industry complex and your company is a part of a road industry, and you have a chance to get the 3 points. And also, if your company is a part of a road industry and the company is specializing in or using in an automation system or ICT, information and communication technology and a related job, and you are doing it especially in your company or your factory. So there is an additional point. So if you are a part of a wood industry and you have a chance to get additional point by getting recommendation letter from Ministry of Commerce and Industry and Energy. So if your company is a part of a wood industry, try to apply for this. It takes around 14 days to get this recommendation letter. If you needed to apply for the E74 from E9 on April 2nd or April 3rd, it is a very important part to get additional point to raise your points. Okay, so I already posted in that kinds of information in my Facebook and facebook.com/visainkorea. So check more details on there, and any questions, and send an email or send the text message or a messenger message, and I will reply you if possible. Okay, bye. The visainkorea, Mr. Jang. See you next time.